Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create customer journeys on Mailchimp. Creating customer journey is going to give your customers a very personalized experience, which can lead to increased engagement between your customers and your business. It is a very good thing to do, and in case you would like to increase more interaction and you will want your customer to engage more so that they will be able to know your brand even more and even maybe be a loyal customers. Creating a customer's journey is going to help your business very much. So you're going to want to create your audience first. On Mailchimp, you will be able to see the audience options on the left side of your screens. Over here, you can click on the audience dashboard and you'll be able to see on the audience that you have. So if you haven't had an audience yet, don't worry. All you have to do is create your contact and then you'll be able to create your audience from there. So I've already created my audience. I named it as Eyes of the Sun and it has several contacts in it, and I can always add more by clicking on this add contact options, and I can choose whether I want to import my contact or if I would like to add a single contact. I already have enough contacts for now, so I'm just going to go straight into the customer journeys creation. So in order to create your customer's journey, you're going to want to go to this automations options on the left side of your screen, and then we're going to start creating our journey from scratch. So go ahead and click this build from scratch journey. Next, you're going to be directed into this page right here. So it says here that you will want to create a map of your contact's journey. So you're going to put your contact on a path that's right for them. With the customer's journey, you can always be there for your contact when they need you most. So we're going to start by naming our journey. So let's say that this is a journey that I want my customers to enjoy when they first comes into my shop. So I have a shop for accessories, and let's say that before they knew me, they might be interested to take a look at some product, but they don't really know where to start, or maybe they don't really know much about the brand yet, so they're not sure whether they will want to purchase from it. So I'm just going to name this journey as the welcome journey. So I'm going to go ahead and name it Welcome to Eyes of the Sun, which is the name of my shop. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Start Building. And next, we're going to want to choose a starting point. So a starting point is going to be the very first step that our customers takes before they enter the customer's journey. So here it says a contact is added when, and then you can go ahead and click choose a starting point. And you can choose whether a contact will be added when, for example, maybe a tag added, or there are signs up for email, or there will be customer's birthday happening, or the contact will enter the map when sent a bulk email or buy a specific product, or maybe abandon a cart. So let's say that I will want the first starting points to be sign up for email. So I'm going to go ahead and click sign up for email, and then you can choose whether you want to include imported contact or not. I'm just going to leave it blank for now, so I'm just going to go ahead and click save starting point. Alright, so now that we got our starting point, you can go ahead and click edit on it. In case you change your mind later on and you will want to include your imported contact, you can just go ahead and click edit by clicking on this triple dot on the top right of this text box right here, and then go ahead and click edit. And when you click on the edit settings, you'll be able to see more settings that you can alter. For example, here you can set on the marketing objective of this map. So let's say that you want this map to maybe nurture relationships, or maybe you want to drive audience actions, or maybe you want to share information, re-engage contact, or something else. Let's say for today I want to just share information to my customers, so I'm going to go ahead and click share information as my marketing objective. And next, I'm going to want to set a journey point. So a journey point is what's going to happen after, let's say, a contact signs up happens to my Eyes of the Sun's audience. So let's say that someone signs up their contact, and then what else do I want to happen after they signs up the contact? So here are the actions that we can choose. We can send emails, we can send SMS, we can do webhook, and then we can send survey email, we can put them in a group, we can tag them or untag them, we can choose to unsubscribe them, we can update the contact or archive contact. So for now, I'm going to choose send email for my journey point. First journey points, I'm going to go ahead and send email. And here you'll be able to edit the email that you will be sending into your customers after the contact signs up action is done. So obviously you're going to want to set up the to and from email address, and then you can set the subject. You can also set the schedule, whether you want it to be every day as soon as possible, or you can also choose the day of which you want this email to be sent. And then you can also set on the tracking. And once you're done, all you have to do is close this settings. And then you're going to want to add the next step of your journey point. So you can go ahead and add maybe another trigger if you want. You can set up some new trigger, or maybe you can just add a time delay in case you will want to do a follow-up email, but you don't really want to send it immediately after the first one is being sent. So let's say that you've sent your first email saying welcome, congratulations, or thank you for subscribing or signing up to Eyes of the Sun, or whatever your business name is, and then you will want to add a time delay before you continue and sending a follow-up email. Maybe that email will consist of an offer or like some discount for some period of time, so that your customer will want to try and buy some stuff because they get a free discount when they just sign up into your subscriptions plan. So go ahead and click on time delay, and then you can choose whether you want to delay for maybe hours or days or weeks. I'd say that you can add probably 1 day's delays. I think that is pretty okay, so you can go ahead and do that. And then you can go ahead and add your next journey point, which is another mail if you want. Of course, you can just create the map to however you want it to be. I'm just going to give you a very simple map of customer's journey. And the last step for my customers' journeys map is going to be another email following up to my customers. And of course, again, you will want to settings the to and from, the subject, the schedule, as well as the tracking. Once you're done, you can close it, and then you can try to send test emails if you want. But if you're already done with the journey, you can just go ahead and click on close. And then as you can see, the journey is already there, and all you have to do is just activate the journey, and then your customer will be able to enjoy it once the starting point objective was already made. And that's basically it. That is how you can create a customer's journey on Mailchimp. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.